Okay, so I wanted to show you this cookware set that I got, and I absolutely love it, and show you what I like about it and all the different things. First, I mean, you can see the set comes with a complete set, and like the big pan that we have here, I love the handle. It has a nice big handle, so it's super easy to pick up off. And then also on the sides, it has nice big handles for getting it off of your stove, or you're taking it off of here. And then we have one big pan, and then we've got the smaller saucepan, and they have these nice lids. But these are premium stainless steel, and the handles are long enough so they're easy to pick up. They are solid, but they're not super heavy. So they're just good quality. And the other thing I like is when I put anything in here, especially like in these frying pans that I have, nothing, like I put butter or just like olive oil or something like that in here, and then that keeps it from sticking. And then when I wash it, I just put warm water in there and get the oil off, and then use a rag to clean it, and they clean up really nicely. These two pans here, the lid is interchangeable, so you could put it on either one. And then this one is just another saucepan, just a slightly smaller. And this is what I call like an egg pan. I cook my eggs in it, so I don't know, you could use it for other things, just to melt butter or whatever you want to do. You do want to make sure that you hand wash these to keep them in premium condition, because you don't want to have the dishwasher run them. So I always just, because they're super, super easy to clean, but there's just so many things I like about these. They're just super good quality, as you could tell. So I was excited to get these, and I cannot wait to start cooking more in them. But so far, like even just frying a hamburger, that just comes really clean. So highly recommend if you're looking for a good cookware set.